it's really a challenge to find the best products that deserve your hard-earned money. In today's video, we are going to break down the top 3 beer refrigerators available on the market. Our team has reviewed many products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our ranking based on many factors such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the manufacturer's reputation. So watch this video till the end. At number 3. Aneken Beer Refrigerator. This 1.6 cubic feet beer fridge has a large capacity with compact size. You can add abundant storage for up to 62 cans standard sized of your favorite beverages. This beverage refrigerator is perfect for storing lunch or a cold drink anywhere in your home. It has a 3-grade manual temperature control knob, makes an approximate temperature range of 39 degrees Fahrenheit 61 degrees Fahrenheit. This mini fridge glass door features a powerful cooling system that reliably keeps ice-cold drinks at your fingertips. At number 2. Antarctic Star Beer Refrigerator. It enables you to store your wine in optimal conditions for long-term aging. Its working temperature range is 40 degree Fahrenheit 61 degree Fahrenheit. It has a reinforced glass door with an airtight seal, which helps to maintain an ideal humidity level. This beverage refrigerator gives you a compact and modern design perfect for your living room. It features soft blue LED interior lighting that beautifully showcases the drinks. At number 1. NewAir Beer Refrigerator. It comes with space for up to 177 standard cans. The quiet, front-venting compressor system allows this beverage fridge to fit snugly under standard kitchen counters. This fridge features digital temperature controls that put you in charge. It has stylish interior fittings that let you adjust the shelves to hold nearly any combination of items. It features a triple-paned glass door that provides outstanding insulation to keep all that cold air inside. That's all. You can see the latest prices and find out more information about the products we mentioned in this video using the links below in the description. And don't forget to press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching our video. Until next time, have a nice day.